Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to give you just 5 steps that are going to help you become a better trader today. If you do these 5 steps, I believe you are going to see results with your trading. You are going to start seeing results with your trading with just 5 of these steps. So if you are new on this channel, go ahead and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our future videos. If you like this content or this type of content, then leave this video a thumbs up. It helps with the algorithm and it also helps in showing me what you guys prefer me sharing on this channel and what you guys do not like me to share on this channel. So go ahead and subscribe and like the video. By the way, if you are also wondering the broker that I use, their link is in the description box below. One of the best brokers in the world, award winning. I've been with them more than 5 years now. I've not had any problems regarding withdrawals and deposits. And with just $5, you can start trading a real life trading account. Why would I use a $5 trading account? That's what I use to test my strategies, my robots, everything that I find out there. And $5 is good because I'm not risking too much of my capital at the start. If then that thing shows a promise, then I can bring in some more capital. I know people love to trade with demo, but what I found personally was that demo never prepares you for trading the real life markets because you don't really learn the psychological aspect of it. You don't know how you are going to react when you actually lose real money and when you make real money if you're only trading on demo. That's why I trade with these micro accounts and you test your things in real life market conditions. It's just $5. If you can flip it, then you add more money. If you lose it, then it's just $5. It's very easy to get another $5 and put in and start all over again. So let's continue with the video. So I hope you have your pen and paper already. How to become a better trader today in 5 steps. So the first thing that I'll probably say is you need to unfollow and get out of any groups on social media, on Telegram, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, whatever, where when you are in that group you feel demotivated or you feel depressed or you feel you are not making enough progress. I mean, that group that you are in, all it does is leaving you depressed because you see other people making a lot of money. They seem to be buying cars, they seem to be buying mansions, they seem to be going on holidays, they seem to be doing everything that you are not. But instead of motivating you, that group actually demotivates you. So unfollow, leave those kinds of groups. Only leave the kind of groups or the kind of followings where instead of leaving you depressed, you actually get value out of those. You people are probably motivating you in a positive way. You get motivation, you are gaining something positive from those groups. When you come out of those groups, you end up you are feeling good about your trades or you are eager to get on trading and stuff like that. So that's first thing that you want to do because it has a bearing on your psychology. Sometimes you just follow these unfruitful groups because they are run by maybe a famous trader or a famous somebody, and but what you are getting in there is zero. What you are really getting out of that group is zero, and you are probably what getting out of that group depressed. So get out of that group, find groups that motivate you, that give you value, and leave those unfruitful groups. Okay, that's the first thing that you want to do to clean up your life. Clean up your life. Get the negatives out and only keep the positives in. Then what you want to do also is you want to create a trading schedule. Uh, for example, I know there are people who only trade London session and they are very profitable. There are people who only trade the New York session and they are very profitable. There are people who trade only the first hour of the New York session and they are profitable. There are people who trade only the Asian session and they are profitable. Because the forex market is 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, or 7 days a week if you are also trading crypto, it doesn't exactly mean that you need to be in the market 24 hours a day. We've got life. You need to live a balanced life, even if you are a trader. So you need to find a time where you are at your optimum, where you are at your peak, like physically and mentally, where you are fresh, where you are ready, your mind is ready, you are physically not exhausted, your mind is not exhausted, and when you don't have any distractions. Some of us, some of you are running businesses on the side, or maybe you are also still working, or you are still studying. You don't want to be looking at your charts and trying to do what your boss is telling you to do, looking at the charts and you're trying to answer a client and things like that, or you are looking at the charts and you're trying to help your child with the homework and things like that. What you want to do is to create a schedule when you have free time, when everything, all the distractions are not near to you. So you basically just sit there and you can focus on the charts. So it's important that you actually have a schedule for doing that. Number two, anytime, that's number three, sorry. Number three, anytime you feel emotional, anytime you feel emotional or unsure unsure about a trade, leave it alone. You don't lose anything except saving your account by sitting on the sidelines. When you feel you are not in a good emotional space to be trading the markets, it's money, it's your money. Take it or leave it, it's your money, but you only stand to lose your money if you enter the market and you are emotionally not there. Let's say maybe something happened in your life, maybe a loved one left you, or maybe something terrible just messed up your psychology. Don't get in the markets. Don't get in the markets if your setup is not there. Many people are tempted to just like I have to have a trade today. I have to make a trade. I have to trade. I have a trade. I'm a trader. I must trade. No, you don't. If there is no clear setup according to the way you trade, if that setup is not there, stay on the sidelines. You don't lose anything. There are going to be a million more opportunities in the markets, trust me. But what you must do is to protect your account for those million more opportunities that are going to come. Then, where are we? Number four. What you want to do is also to have a plan for losses. I promise you, regardless of whatever anybody tells you, losses are inevitable in trading. Losses are inevitable. But what separates the winning traders from the losing traders is the winning traders are more conservative what with their losses, and then they cover those losses with their wins. So what you want to do is to have good risk to reward, risk management, everything in a place. The plan that I shared on this channel basically is, if you take 3 consecutive losses, probably time to stay out of the market and call it a day and come back the next day. If you take a trade one after the other and they are all losing trades, probably take some time off and clear your mind. Otherwise, you are going to wreck your account. So you need to come up with things like that for handling losses so that you don't lose your trading account. Think number 5 now. I think we're on number 5. What you want to also do is to journal your trades. You want to journal your trades. You want to know what you are doing correctly and what you are doing the wrong way. When you journal things, then you know what you are doing that is making you money and what you are doing that is not making you money. Then you can get rid of all the things that are not making you money and focus only on the things that are making you money. On this channel, I think I did videos showing you how I journal my trades on my phone, and there are free apps that you can use to journal your trading. Look for those videos. Very convenient. You can use your app to journal your trades, and then you can track what you are doing correctly and what you are doing the wrong way. So those are my tips when it comes to becoming a better trader today. First of all, get out of any groups that are unfruitful, that are not adding any value to your trading. Uh, Basically, people are just in there just to leave you depressed. You are not learning anything. Why follow that group? They make your trading look miserable. So why are you in there? Get rid of all the negative vibes and only keep the positive vibes. Only valuable groups. Second point, we said have a schedule. Know when you are able to trade. Don't just trade when there are so many distractions in your life. Find a specific time, a specific opening in your day where you are able to to sit down and solely focus on trading. Then we said if you're feeling emotional, if you don't see any clear setup on the charts according to how you trade, don't get in the markets. Don't waste your money. Don't get in the markets. Then we said also have a plan regarding losses. For example, I always say if you take 3 consecutive losses, maybe call it a day. Maybe call it a day and come back the following morning. It's important that you protect your capital. Then we said always journal everything. Always have a journal for everything. Journal everything so that you know what's working for you and what is not. Then you can get rid of what is not working for you and you focus on what's working for you. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. If you feel you have something, another tip for traders that you want to add, leave it in the comment section below. Like the video, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.